times. Okay, uh, you can select it by your own. I'm just finding that if I can find a better color. Yeah, this is good. This is blended inside the body. Okay, uh, what should I do now? Let me see. Okay, this is done. What if I can add a same box shadow here also? Fascinating, right? I want to do this. Where can I do this? In services too. Okay, where is the services too? I have selected it. Not, I didn't selected it though. So services too. Here. Here I will make a box shadow of 2 pixels, 2 pixels and 10 pixels. And what will be the color? Black. Okay, so it have come to the services, right? We have selected the services, but I want to be in the contact. Okay, some padding, margin, these things will work now. Good, this is good, but with a border radius 5 pixels. Can I do this thing to same thing for this services? Let me try. Okay, so dot services 2 and then box shadow of 2 pixels, 2 pixels, 10 pixels, black. Okay, so some margin, sorry, some padding will required. Yeah, this is also good because now this is aligned beautifully, but with a border radius 5 pixels. Let me see now. Okay, so now this is looking very awesome. Okay, so what more changes we can do? Yeah, this is all done here. Copyright, we can make a copyright. Okay, let me see it. Okay, let's make a copyright. For making a copyright symbol, you should find an entity of copyright. Let me see, entity for copyright. Here it is. I will come here. Okay, so I have to go in HTML file, right? I want to copy